Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now and make sure to click on the bell icon to get notifications to know whenever a new video is uploaded on this channel. So today in this video, I am going to be introducing a platform to you. It's called YEBet, YEBet. And on this platform, all you do is you put cryptocurrency on the platform and then you play games and then you make money back in cryptocurrency. And this website is actually very legit. I for one, I have been using it for a while now and I can attest to the fact that the website is actually very legitimate. So for you to start, all you have to do is you go to the pinned comment and also the description of this video. I already put a link there. So yeah, all you have to do is you click on the link and then you see this very short sign up form and then you sign up to the website. Now after opening the website, the first thing we see is that they are going to be launching a new PC version with brilliant experience. They have the interest of their customers at heart, so they're going to be making the PC version of the website more optimized, because for now they just use a smartphone setup. Now all you have to do is you click on sign up and then you put your email, you put the password, and then you input your referral code. So my referral code is also in the description, so you can input my referral code. So I am just gonna be logging in since I already have an account with the website. Okay, now we are in and we have logged into the website, and then you can see it's just a very simple website. You can see the games you can play, you can see the home option, the deposit option, and then the account option. Now after signing into the website for the first time and then you click this top icon, you're gonna see that you were given 40 YEC, that's your token. I can use this to play games and make money in other cryptocurrency. I funded my account with 300 USDT to play games, to show you guys some games you can play and how you can win. So you can see I've started with 300 USDT. When you log into the website for the first time, your language may not be in English or Portuguese or whatever country you're from. So all you have to do is you click on this icon, this little country icon right here, and then you can easily change your country. If you're in Spain, you can choose Espanol. If you're in a French country, you can choose Frankie, that's French, and then Indonesia, Dutch, and some other websites and some other languages like that. Now for you to deposit money into your account, you just come after the home button, you see the deposit icon, and then you click on deposit. Now after clicking on deposit, you can see the value of my money. I have 282 USD in my account, and then you can deposit using USDT or TRX, SHIB, IDR, Doge, LTC, BTC, ETH, and lots of other cryptocurrency. So the deposit is very easy. It's just a normal cryptocurrency transaction. You go to your wallet, you copy an address. After clicking deposit, you copy your deposit address, and then basically you just input this address in your cryptocurrency wallet, and then you send some crypto into the account. Now you can see lots of games you can play on this website. You can see the roulette, you can see crash, lucky roller, high low, classic dice, copper machine, mice, color wheels, Mayans color wheels, and then lots of other games are still coming to the website. So if we click lucky roller right now, I'm just going to be playing with some of my money. So I'm going to be clicking lower, and then okay, got it, and then you just start the game. So I just click on lower. I put an amount of money that I would like to put. So first you just change the cryptocurrency you're using. I'm not using Bitcoin to play, so I'm just going to be putting USDT since I funded USDT into my account as 300 USDT. Then I'm going to be betting 10 USDT for this game, and then I'm just going to click on start game. So it's just going to load, and whoa, we lost for the first time. And then you just keep playing. Maybe this time I put 5 USDT, and then I click a higher number, and then start game. Whoa. And then you just keep going, and then you just keep going. But remember guys, to bet responsibly. And then yes, we won. We just won an amount of USDT, and then you can just playing, you can find your account, and then you keep playing different games on the website. So now for you to withdraw your funds and then your earnings, all you have to do is you go to the account page, and then Now, before I go into the withdrawal, I would like you guys to check this out. When you click on account, you click on refer friends, and then basically you can copy your referral link and then you send it to your friends on WhatsApp, on Facebook, on Telegram, Signal, and other social media platforms. Or you just tell your friends, you send your link to your friend, and then you tell them to register. And when they register, you're gonna get a bonus of YEC, their token. And then that's not something you want to miss. You want to copy your referral code, and then you want your friends to sign up into the website. Now, for you to withdraw, all you have to do is you click on the deposit icon. I'm going to click on USDT, and then at the right side of the deposit icon, you can see the withdraw icon right here. So all I have to do is I click on the withdraw icon, and then I can see the amount of Theta I have, and then I can withdraw either on a TRC20 or BEP20 network, and then I just fill in according to my specific currency. I put my withdrawal amount. Maybe I want to withdraw 25% of what I have, 50% of what I have, the minimum amount, or I can just type in how much I wish to withdraw. So you can see that there's a fee of 1 USDT, and then the minimum amount you can withdraw for USDT is 3.1 USDT, and then you just confirm, and then you withdraw the money out of your wallet. And if you have any issues using the website, you can just click on the chat icon, this chat icon right here, and then you can go to their customer service and you can check other functions. So that's all for this video, guys. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now, and make sure you also click on the bell icon to get notifications to know whenever a new video is uploaded on this channel. Thanks guys, see you next time.